Welcome back to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week's topic, the power of knowledge. In today's rapidly evolving automotive industry, staying updated on the latest automotive technology is essential for automotive service advisors. As a service advisor, your role involves understanding and explaining complex technical concepts to customers, recommending appropriate repairs, and providing valuable guidance. In today's video, we will explore the importance of staying updated on automotive technology and the benefits it brings to your role as a service advisor. Building customer trust. Customers expect service advisors to be knowledgeable and well-informed about the latest automotive technology. By staying updated on advancements, you can confidently answer their questions, address concerns, and provide accurate explanations. Demonstrating your expertise builds trust and confidence, assuring customers that their vehicles are in capable hands. Recommending appropriate repairs. Advancements in automotive technology lead to changes in repair procedures and requirements. Staying knowledgeable about these changes allows you to recommend the most suitable repairs and maintenance for customers' vehicles. Understanding the latest diagnostic tools, software, and repair techniques enables you to make informed decisions, resulting in efficient and effective repairs. Effective communication. Keeping up with automotive technology helps you effectively communicate with customers. Technical jargon can be overwhelming for customers, but by translating complex concepts into simple and understandable language, you can bridge the knowledge gap. Clear communication fosters better understanding, ensuring that customers are well informed about their vehicle's condition and repair options. Improved customer satisfaction. Providing accurate information and effective solutions contributes to higher customer satisfaction. When customers feel confident that you understand their vehicle's technology and can address their concerns competently, they are more likely to trust your recommendations. Satisfied customers are more likely to return for future services and refer others to your business, positively impacting your reputation and revenue. Adaptability to change. The automotive industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies emerging regularly. Staying updated on automotive technology helps you adapt to these changes. Whether it's electric vehicles, hybrid systems, advanced safety features, or autonomous driving technology, your knowledge enables you to navigate these developments confidently and provide relevant advice to customers. Professional growth. Continually expanding your knowledge of automotive technology enhances your professional growth as a service advisor. It demonstrates your commitment to your field and positions you as a valuable asset to your organization. Pursuing training programs, attending industry conferences, and engaging in continuous learning opportunities will help you stay at the forefront of technological advancements. Staying updated on automotive technology is crucial for automotive service advisors to excel in their roles. By embracing and implementing the strategies presented in this video, you can leverage the power of knowledge to deliver exceptional service experiences. Embrace the opportunity to expand your expertise and embrace the advancements that shape the automotive industry, empowering yourself to serve as a knowledgeable and trusted advisor to your customers.
Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.